Uupo muna kami ng baby ko. Hindi pa ready yung room. We are here for a not free. Actually, she paid for my spa treatment. And we're gonna have a breakfast at the sea lounge. We're just gonna check the menu. If it's okay, then we will proceed. If not, then we'll find some place to have a go. Sea lounge. Kasi naghahantay pa kami ng ma-check-in kami. Oh, yeah, it's nice. And let's go. We have a welcome holiday. Stop toys. It's nice. Pwede ka na bang galawin? Napicturean mo na? Oh my God! May kapa siya. Oh, cute. Ang cute, be. Cute, oh. Conrad. Oh my God, may libre siyang ganon. So, tour na kayo sa hotel. Ito. Yung window is automatic. Yeah. Kanina pa kami naghahanap ng remote, actually. So there is the view. So, this is our view. And there's the pool. So, automatic yung window. Yeah, this is the view. Let's enjoy it once in a lifetime. Once a year, once every 3 years, once every 4 years. I wanted to swim, but looking at the swimming pool, ay, ang baba ng helicopter. So, ito yung coffee. Of course. Free siya. White sugars. Ano? Nabuksan mo ba? Wow. And, ayun. May umbrella siya. In case, ayun na yung safe. Not so good. Not so good. Madalian yung nila, yung cleaning nila. Tapos, ayun yung robe. So, ayun yung robe. And, ito yung bathroom nila. Bali, dalawa yung door niya. Ito yung, ayan, yung, yeah, meron ding telepono. Of course, may bidet siya. And, ito yung, yeah, ito yung mga complimentary kit. So, I wanted to open the drawer. What's in? Oh, wala siyang laman. The towel. Actually, I don't like the towel. They put it here. It looks used. But, yeah. Ayun lang. But I don't like, it's not that clean.
Ayan.
Doon tayo sa kabila. Where are you? Oh. Okay lang. And the pool is all ours. Look.
Pwede na.
Tsura. Basang-basa sa ulan. Basang-basa. Bawal dalhin yung towel. So, nag-swim kami. Bahala na. I feel cold. We're very wet. Papasukin ba tayo ng elevator nito, Beth? What you think? So, we're going for a spa. Drink tayo. Ito yung sa akin. Ito lang ang kaya ko. I can't manage yung very strong. Ayan. Kay kat-kat. Ang sarap. Taho. Kat will get one more round. Malamig yung choco nila actually. Yeah.